DS Diving, January 19th, here at Tranquiladad. My dad's up there, I hope that doesn't kill him, but gonna do a quick after clean video, besides the jokes. Cleaned up really nice. We did have some heavy barnacle growth starting on the keel, so that took me a good little bit to clean up, but stuff like this. Not too bad, but she's looking pretty now. Gonna take a look on the underside, see how she's looking. This shaft sink does seem in good condition, so good to go. Let's see what it looks like. As you see, everything cleaned up. Took me a little bit get her nice and good, but you're gonna see probably about 10 seconds of the video. That's gonna be a wide area. That's the bottom of the keel. Everything that there was glue on, that's where I had to scrape barnacles off, and they were probably about 1/2 inch barnacles. DS Diving, thank you very much.